Yeah, baby, we love. Hey, what's good, guys? It's your boy Andrew Pereira, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different. It's not gonna be your unorganized vlog or your skits. I'm gonna take you guys in a full day of eating. To be exact, intermediate fasting on a bulk. Also, a brutal upper body workout. Without further ado, guys, let's get into the video. But before I do, I want to thank you guys for supporting my channel. I know I haven't been posting a lot, and for those who have stayed and haven't unsubscribed to this channel, I thank you. I really do, and I appreciate it. And now that I graduated from school, I think it's an opportunity for me to make more videos like these or anything else, honestly. And yeah, guys, I appreciate it. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and also give this video a like right now. Right now. Please. Now let's get into the video. We gone. Alright, gang, I'm about to hit the gym. And one thing I'd like to say is that since I am doing intermediate fasting, I also work out in a fasted state. Personally, so far with intermediate fasting, I've been doing it for a couple months now, I feel much better. And they say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. For me personally, I feel sluggish and I feel like I just want to go back to bed and do nothing. I don't feel productive at all. I don't. And also, working out in a fasted state, I feel more energized. I feel I have more strength when I do hit my PRs and stuff. And just overall, there's just positive benefits to intermediate fasting and also working out in the fasted state. So you guys should try it out. For me, it works wonders. I don't know about you guys, but yeah. All right, let's hit the gym now. We're at the gym right now. Our first workout of the day, we'll be doing chest. And what I like to do is do warm-ups for three sets of warm-ups. Start with 8, 4, and then 1. So you go light, medium, and heavy.
Like a fucking biker. I've been fresh as hell every time.
Got cream of rice in this jar. What I usually do, I usually mix it up, probably oatmeal, but I like cream of rice more better, just because of the consistency of it. So I like to put 1/4 of cream of rice and then 1 cup of water, and then put it in the microwave. Also, I forgot to mention blessed plant protein from EHP. I got the churro flavor, but usually I get cookies and cream. We're gonna put it in. First meal of the day. Yo, it's 2 o'clock already. Damn it. It's hard having a full house. Just everybody in the kitchen. That's the perks of being Filipino.
Ooh, delicioso.
Oh, dude, this really hurts. But anyways, second meal of the day. The goal of calories that I have to take is 2,932. I use, I don't know, fuck. I use MyFitnessPal, and I'm gonna leave the calories in the description below so you can check that out. So what I got here is brown rice, ground turkey, and broccoli, and 2 eggs, and also I got avocado. I got avocado. Alright. And also I added sriracha because I'm a hot sauce guy, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Third meal. And what we got here, we got mixed vegetables, broccoli, carrots, sprouts, and we got, of course, avocado. And we got our 6 ounces of chicken breast, 1 cup of brown rice. And that's pretty much it. I have one more meal later on. That's the 4th meal, which is a light snack. So, yeah, guys, let's dig in. Yeah, I mean that's literally what I eat every single day. I don't make it too complicated. You know, I switch it up from time to time. If I'm not eating ground turkey, I'm eating ground beef. If I'm not eating chicken breast, I'm eating salmon. If I'm not eating oatmeal, I'm eating cream of wheat. Did I say cream of wheat? Cream of rice. And it just varies, honestly. I mean, ever since I switched my diet up, I tested out some things that work and don't work. This is the kind of food that really helps me perform at my very best. All right, this is the final meal of the day, and what we got here is Greek yogurt, 0 sugar, and we got almond butter inside, and I wanted crunchiness, so I decided to put Apple Jacks. Not a lot, but just enough so I don't, go over my calorie intake. Yeah, so let's try it out. Yeah, that's pretty smacking. No cap. But if you do hear munching in the background, it's my little baby girl. Wait, let me see that right there. Ah! Right there. Trixie? Yeah. That's Trixie. For those who are wondering. She is the last of the few. Rest in peace, Chibi. But that's for another video. You guys made it all the way through the video. Thank you. And to the subscribers who have been subscribed to my channel, thank you for putting up with my shenanigans and my weirdness. And to those who are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also turn on post notifications so you won't miss a single video. And you can tell that I'm very sleepy. I'm really sleepy. yeah, guys, and also comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like these, and I'll continue to post more. So with that being said, wow, you get very tired. With that being said, I see you guys in the next channel. What the fuck? You can tell I'm really tired. See you in the next channel. See, this is the shit that I'm talking about. As YouTube creators, we fuck up all the time, and it's just part of YouTube, bro. You know, you're going behind the scenes of how it feels to mess up, and it's okay. I'm not gonna make any excuses. Alright, I see you guys in the next video. We gone. Peace.